Okay, let's go again, let's go. Oh no, not again! Okay, more Smith Gambit. Maybe with early F4. Don't know about this Bishop G4, isn't that a little bit suspect? Queen B3 here. I'm on F7 and B7. I think my time to pounce is in the opening against some of these people. I'll notice sometimes there's a subtle opening mistake. I'm hoping this is a mistake, this Bishop G4. Possibly he was annoyed having to play me again after that one. Queen B7, okay, and then there's Bishop B5 after. Isn't that dangerous? Going for this. Bishop B5. Isn't there Knight D4 coming up? Just winning the exchange. No, there isn't. Okay. Hang on a sec. What do I want to do here? Take the queens off, play Queen A6, keep the pressure. I think if I keep the pressure for Knight D4, he takes. I've still got stuff going on there. If he takes, he's strengthening my centre. How about Knight D4 now? What is going on here? Really? He wanted this position? As Queen takes C8. He's resigned, blimey. I'm just beating him in 13 moves. Oh, opening blunder. They do blunders in the opening. You just can't. Okay. I think there's a certain level of mistrust. If you generate a healthy mistrust of even really strong rated players, it helps of their moves. You know that there might be a problem. If you catch them early out in the opening, brilliant. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.